Alrighty guys, welcome back. We're just gonna be doing a really quick trade recap today. So you can see one of the evals I traded. I took a trade on the PA account, made about $8. It was a break-even trade. Hopped in this morning, didn't like it, hopped out. Good thing I trusted my gut because I would have stopped out. So about, basically break even there on the PA. And then I just traded this eval the rest of the day. Trading HD and ODD trades only, and we caught 7 wins, 1 loss. So I did accidentally take 1 trade pre-market, misclick. I don't like to trade pre-market because it's weird. So that's basically add 105 to this, and that's what it should be. Okay, so 7 wins, 1 loss. Let's see if I can kind of show this here. So break even on the PA, 1 accidental trade here, and then the rest pretty clean. So we'll go through them, what the trades that I took were and why I took them. So start trading at around 9:35. Okay, and I did miss a couple trades today, but the first trade I took was a loss. So got in on this ODD, so we made a lower low with less volume. People were hating in the comments yesterday, so I just basically banned them from commenting, saying what I'm doing is fake. So I did it today. Took 1 loss here. Still a perfectly fine trade, nothing wrong with it. It was just a loss. So move on from those. This was a trade that I missed. It's an HD trade from over here, but I missed that. Would have been a winner. Okay. Next trade I took was right here. We had a HD trade. So we had more volume than up here. Going with the trend, we took a short with trapped order, right? We took a short, got out. There we go. There's 1 win. Then the next trade we took was this trade. We had made a new high again with less volume, so we're moving up on less volume. Got our second trade. There we go. Starting to build back up our loss. Where's our next trade? So now it's 10 o'clock. 25 minutes of trading there. Next trade we saw. Let's see. Right here. So again, made a new high on less volume, less than 80%. Trapped order, and enter and exit. There you go. So 3 wins and 1 loss. We did take 1 pre-market loss. It still was a ODD trade, but I've never back tested or traded pre-market. There's a lot of weird orders that go on, so don't trade that. But from what I've tested, from 9:35 till 10:30 or beyond, that's what we're looking at. So subtract 1 loss. We have another trade though. Here's another trade again, higher high, less volume, enter, exit. There you go. And then another trade at 10:25, higher high, less volume. There we go, enter, exit. And I also missed this trade. So it was HD, made a basically a higher low, right? More volume, so second that move back up would have been another win. So we missed out on 2 wins basically so far. Here we got another entry, made a low with less volume, enter, exit. There you go. Got close to stopping out, but did not stop us out. And then I believe that's all I did this morning. And then I came back in the afternoon. So came back in the afternoon. So just got bored basically. So the trade I took in the afternoon was this trade. So made a lower low on less volume, enter here, exit there. There you go. Boom, boom. I might have missed a trade. I don't know. We definitely didn't look at the 7 wins there, but still small. I can't see. But we basically just took a lot of ODD trades today. There were some more trades I walked away right around here. And there were some more wins. Here is a ODD win again. Enter on less volume, exit. There you go. And then there was another one up here somewhere. Here's an HD trade. Higher, low, more volume. Enter, exit. There you go. Let's see, is that all? Oh, also right here, like 10 minutes ago, there was an HD trade. Higher or a lower high with more volume. Expecting that move down. And there you go. And then that is all there was. Now it's just weird. Market's about to close. But that's all there was for today. Really liking it. So we're basically, I mean, there's really only one loss that I saw today. Since 9:35 until now. From what we've looked at. And I also missed like another 3 trades. So should have been around, I mean, if you caught every single trade, 10 and 1. There was 1 or 2 trades this morning that the entry just got skipped over. So the trades that we actually missed, most likely because it actually skipped over our trade, our entry, because it moved too fast. So perfectly fine when that happens, but obviously we'll like it if that doesn't happen. But better not take it than, you know, have a bad fill. So that's all I got for today. Quick little recap, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow.